Hello everyone, welcome back to our latest video. Today, I'll guide you through the process of downloading apps on Google Chrome using your iPhone. If you're an iPhone user looking to download and install apps directly from Google Chrome, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into the steps without wasting any time. Firstly, open your iPhone settings and make some adjustments before downloading. Navigate to Screen Time, then scroll down and tap on Content Privacy Restrictions. Under Content Restrictions, ensure that the Apps option is set to allow all. Similarly, under iTunes and App Store purchases, make sure it's set to Don't Require. Once you've made these changes, return to the Settings menu. Now, open Google Chrome on your iPhone. Search for the app you wish to download. For example, let's say you're looking for the Fiverr app. Click on the search result to access the website. Once on the website, locate the download button and click on it. After a few moments, you'll be prompted to install the app. Tap on Install and enter your Apple Idaho password when prompted. Once you've entered your password, the app will begin downloading and installing on your iPhone. You can monitor the progress of the installation. By following these steps, you'll be able to download any app through Google Chrome on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching.